This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Make sure you have the latest Vita3k build and a compatible GPU driver. This avoids mismatches. Once done, back up your current config and save data to prevent data loss, then open the emulator folder. You'll need to locate config. Inai, typically in app data or the build directory, and keep an editor ready. Now, stop the emulator so files aren't locked and make a copy of config. Inai. This early setup prevents common errors and speeds the change process. You'll now edit the GPU settings directly. Open config. Inai and locate the graphics or GPU section. These keys control the backend and flags. Change the GPU backend value to your target, Vulkan, OpenGL, or DX11 based on your GPU and driver. Save the file. Next, set vendor-specific flags like threaded rendering, enable shader cache if supported, and choose resolution scale. Make one change at a time so you can revert if something breaks. You finish by testing and troubleshooting. Restart Vita3k and load a simple, known working title to validate the new GPU backend and flags. Observe performance and graphical anomalies. If the emulator crashes or stutters, immediately revert config. Inai from your backup and try an alternate backend or toggle threaded rendering. When problems persist, gather logs, Vita3k, log and any GPU error output so you can compare results or ask for help. This final check ensures stability and gives you a clear fallback plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.